Welcome guys to the fantastic programmer, and in this video I will provided you the latest syllabus for the upcoming IP exam and also what is the criteria for clearing the Explorer proctored assessment like IPA, and also how much percentage we have to got for the incentive, okay, and eligible for the incentive. So everything we can see in this video, so be connected and watch this video till the end, okay. So this is the Java syllabus in which you can see KYT, Biz Skills, Unix, UI, SQL, PL/SQL, Java, simple coding question and complex coding questions. So in this time here they ask two coding question, one is simple and one is complex. Now this group 1 is similar to everyone who is attempted for the Java as well as Python. So it is a common section for Java, Python. It is the different section for Java, Python. If you choose Java, then you will see this pattern, and another one I will share you in the next slide. Firstly, we can understand what is that. Okay, KYT. I was provided you the MCQs and how to prepare the resources, the websites in which you can learn and understand what is a KYT business skills, and also you can learn the previous year ask MCQs and prepare for the upcoming IP exam. Okay, so KYT I was defined what is KYT, know your TCS, so 5 questions are there. Business skills 5 question also there. Unix you can see 5 questions. UI in the UI sections you will see HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and these are the combinations, and 10 questions will ask in this section. Okay, so is it group 1 and it is common for both the Java and Python persons. Now the group 2, here is SQL, PL/SQL, 5 questions. Java, basically it is only for the Java. Okay, so 15 question will come here, and also one simple questions coding question and one hard question. So simple question marks is 15 and hard questions is 35 marks. So total it is 15 marks. So total marks is 15. So just imagine if you clear this exam with 55% and 80% above, so you will have to clear one of the coding questions. If you clear one coding questions, then you will clear this exam 55% above. This section MCQ sections are not tough, so you can clear easily and maintain the score. But if you did not clear this section, only one question is not attempted also, so you will not clear this exam 55% as well. So you should try and to clear this coding question. Okay, and for 80% you have to also clear this coding question. Okay, now coming for the Python section. So here is also similar group 1 like Java. Here are some changes. In this Java section there are SQL and PL/SQL. Here is MySQL, and 10 question will ask in this section, and Python 15 question. Simple and hard complex coding question are also asked here. So total 50 marks of coding question also here. So you can prepare like this. These are the syllabus for the Python and Java. Now for the incentive, now what is the criteria and how much percentage you have to score in the upcoming IP exam. Okay, so if you score 55% or above before 30 April, so you will get 40k incentive, and if you score 55% or above after 13 April, so you will get only 20k. So 20k deducted if you score 55% और अबव आफ्टर 30 अप्रैल. सो आप अगर 30 अप्रैल के बाद में 55% से ऊपर करते हो, सो आपको ओनली 20k का ही मिलेगा. पर जो भी आईपी एग्जाम कंडक्ट होगी 30 अप्रैल तक, सो उसके पहले आप अगर कर लेते हो क्लियर, सो आपको 40k का इंसेंटिव मिलेगा. नाउ फॉर द 80% और अबव, सो अगर आप 80% से अबव क्लियर करते हो ये एग्जाम को, सो आपको 20k एक्स्ट्रा मिलेंगे. मीन्स 40k के 20k के टोटल 60k इंसेंटिव आपको मिलेगा इफ यू क्लियर 80% और अबव. और अगर आप 80% अबव 30 अप्रैल के बाद में करते हो, सो आपको 20k का रेडिनेंस इंसेंटिव मिलेगा एंड 20k का कॉम्पिटेंसी इंसेंटिव मिलेगा. तो टोटल 40k. सो मैं आपको सिंपल भाषा में बताऊं, इन द सिंपल लैंग्वेज, If you score 80% above before 30 April, so you will get 60k incentive, and if you score 50% above before 30 April, so you will get 40k incentive. Now after 30 April, if you will score 80% above, so you will get 40k incentive, and if you will score 55% above after 30 April, so you will get only 20k incentive. So these are the incentive criteria. So I hope your all doubts are clear and you also got the latest pattern for the upcoming IPA exam. Okay, and the incentive criteria as well. So in the upcoming videos, I will provided you a lots of helpful information that will help you in the upcoming exams, upcoming explore programs, and upcoming latest tests. Okay, and many helpful videos I was already making, and in the future I will make many more videos that will help you and other 2020 through 23 batch pass out batch. If you have any query, you can ask me, and also for the 2022-23 batch, I will started a new series that will help you for the upcoming test like NQT and also interview preparation, and many more videos I will provided you in this channel. So be subscribed or the fantastic programmer, and you can ask me any question on my Instagram, the link in the description, and also I provided my LinkedIn link in the description, so you can ask any questions to me in the personal message as well. Okay, and in the comment section also. So thank you so much, and keep like and subscribe our channel and be connected to the fantastic programmer. Thank you so much.